Hi, I'm Alina from the BigQuery team, and today I'll show you how to set up BigQuery to Google Sheets integration. First of all, log in to use the software. In the top left corner, click the Add New Importer button. Name the importer. I'll go for the name BigQuery Data. Now I need to fill out the data source parameters. From the drop-down menu, select BigQuery and click Connect. To be able to pull data from BigQuery, you need to select a key file in JSON format. Here's how to get it. Go to the Google Cloud Platform console. In the navigation menu on the left-hand side, pick I&M Admin and select Service Accounts. Click Create Service Account at the top. Enter the service account name and click Create. Add roles BigQuery Data Viewer and BigQuery Job User. Click Continue and Done. Click on the three dots of your service account and choose Manage Keys. Press Add Key and select Create New Key. Choose JSON type and press Create. Now go back to the BigQuery form and select this file. Then click Save. Use the standard SQL query syntax in this field to import the query results. I want to pull all data from my project table, so I will use the corresponding query. Now it's time to set up your destination account and specify the spreadsheet and the sheet you will import data to. To do this, click Connect. Choose the account you want to connect to, sign into it, review the contents of the access rights that you grant to BigQuery, and click Allow. Now select a spreadsheet to import data. Here you can select one of the existing sheets to import data to. By typing in a new name that doesn't exist yet, BigQuery will create a new sheet and then import data to it. These are the default settings, which I'm not going to change, so I'll just click Continue. Here, I will set up a schedule for an automatic data refresh. Switch the toggle on. I want my spreadsheet to update on an hourly basis every day of the week. So I'm making a small amendment to the suggested schedule, selecting Saturday and Sunday. Both the time preferences and the time zone are correct, so I won't change them. As the last step, click Save and Run. To see the imported dataset, click Open in the right top corner. That's how you do it! Set up your BigQuery to Google Sheets integration in just 5 minutes. With no coding skills required, BigQuery has got you covered. Thanks for watching! Check out our other tutorials in this playlist. If you have any questions, feel free to contact our support.